possible by you. Previously on Sailing Aquarius, a quick getaway to Bangkok.
Hello, Captain.
That was a fun trip, but now we have a lot to do before taking off and saying goodbye to Malaysia. We visit Surin, who will help us with visas for Thailand, as they are not issued in Langkawi, only Penang and Kuala Lumpur, so she will do all the paperwork.
So, we just got done washing down Aquarius, taking all of her gear off, and we're going to be heading over to Royal Langkawi. Just outside there, there's an anchorage. So, we're going to be heading over there, and we'll be anchoring for the first time in a very, very long time. Should be fun. So it's time to go talk to him and check out.
We retie the lines so it would be easier for me to release them from the boat. This way we don't need anybody else's help while leaving the marina.
Let it loose and away we go. So one little look, make sure everything looks right, nothing wrong with the boat. Into the sun, that's kind of hard. We have a bow thruster down, we've got our forward looking sonar on, and we've got a drone up in the air, and now we're leaving the marina.
Out of water. Spring is off.
Alright, release the back. This side first. Starboard first.
Starboard is off.
Forward. Let me know when it's done.
3, 2, 1, go! Look how beautiful those mountains are. So pretty. And that's where inside, that's where it was Telaga Harbour Marina, which we just left. Very pretty. We're getting a little bit of wind. So we have our Genoa loose.
Yes, gorgeous.
How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Good.
Just left the marina. Did a good job.
Where are you going to?
We're going to Royal Langkawi Marina, but we're going to stay outside and just drop the hook.
Woohoo!
Yeah, we'll be at anchor for the first time in
2020.
yeah.
And in a long time, in general, we've been
Marina rats for a while. Yeah, we've been marina rats because it's tough to find a place to anchor in Malaysia, except for Langkawi, which we're in Langkawi now.
You can see it's really pretty, white strips of white sandy beaches.
Yeah,
Looking
nice
forward
here.
to that. I'll be swimming first time in 2020 in the open ocean. I hope.
a nice tattoo you got going there, babe.
And that means we are going for a day tour island hopping.
After this, we'll issue you life jacket.
It was so nice on a hot day, jump on a speedboat and go at the places where Aquarius can take us. Our first place, Bat Caves. Nice, cool, dark place just to relax. But they were sleeping and did not pay any attention to us, so we left. Our guide called the monkeys Langkawi Mafia, as they were stealing everything they could get their hands off. This one just took away the girls' juice. It was really beautiful, and also we saw some places where the smaller boats could weather out typhoon season, safely tucked in between the mangroves and the mountains. Before hitting the beach, we fed some fish. And then it was time for us to chill.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Shelly.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Shelly.
Hi, Shelly. Can you say hi, Mom?
And there she goes. Well, how was it?
Nice. But I didn't get in fully.
You left your bag open for the monkeys to...
Oh! For lunch, we go to Locals Village, where they have something else for us to show.
The name we call Isabella. Isabella. The baby one. 7 years
Tiger
old.
shark, Isabella, stingrays, and since they're already in captivity, I decided to feed them.
Yeah, put your hand in the water straight like that. Johnny, come on. In the water, yeah? Yeah. Water. Okay. All right. Now we go next one over there. Last one. Last. That was fun. Video, huh? 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Wait. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. Oh, wait, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go, huh? Wait, huh? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. Ready, huh? Ready, 1, 2, 3. So, very aggressive.
So that's how it is. 3 toilets for men, and only half for women. And at the end, we stopped to watch some eagles. And by the way, in Malaysian, Langkawi means eagles.
And more coming.
Wow. This place is so beautiful and has so much to offer that we are kind of sad to leave it, but time is to go.
You came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
While we were having fun, Surin took care of our documents, we got our visas, and she also does provisioning. So we're gonna stock up, as Langkawi is a duty-free island and it's a very, very good place to get your goodies on the boat.
Did you like it? Yes.
You really liked our videos?
Yeah.
Did you subscribe?
No, but I.
Oh my God, we don't like you anymore. We got to find someplace else to buy our beer.
It pops up on my info center.
Oh, okay.
Pops up all the time.
Day trip is done, visas done, provisioning complete, time to check out.
It's recording now. Where'd you get those tangerines?
You won't believe.
I will. Because I saw it. I did.
Master Dog gave us. We are in Langkawi, checking out, going
The
to
master dog? Is that what it is? A master dog?
Dog Master.
Dog master. Oh, there you go.
So we are in Langkawi. We like it here a lot. But we getting ready to leave to Phuket, Thailand. And we were checking out, and Dog Master gave us tangerines. Never happened before.
Oh, that's so nice. So did you do anything wrong when you checked in here? We did everything wrong. What are you talking about? Just fueled up. Now it's time to go pay and get out of Malaysia.
So how did you like Malaysia?
I like Malaysia. It was easy to check in, fairly easy to check out, though we did make mistakes. They just let it go. But there was a lot of dirty water coming up the Malacca Strait. I didn't like that. We actually got caught by a net, or what we think was a net, at 2 a.m. one morning. That wasn't good. But all in all, Malaysia was actually pretty good, and there's no wind below. What's our last port? It was
Penang.
Penang. South of Penang, no wind, so you're motoring almost all the time. But yeah, it was pretty nice. Once you get up to Langkawi, Langkawi is a nice place. I really like Langkawi. There's enough wind to sail. A lot of places to anchor. Like right now we're at 6 meters. We're in the middle of a big huge bay. You could anchor right here. You can anchor just about anywhere. So it's pretty nice. But you know, I don't know anything else. We met some really nice people.
Here for me. So I also like Malaysia. I thought it's gonna be very similar to Indonesia, and in the way it was, but where Indonesia almost no marinas, here we had all these nice, very nice marinas. Only one was less nice, but really, really nice. People nice, better food, way better food than Indonesia. No problems finding vegetables, no problems. So
No pickle relish.
and but not many places to anchor. Not many anchorages except here, Langkawi. But yeah, this place Langkawi is definitely awesome. We couldn't leave right away because we were too late to leave for our whole day 70 nautical miles sail to Phuket Island. Therefore, we anchored for a night close by.
Okay, we're coming into anchor. We've never been at this anchorage before. And what we use our forward-looking sonar, our Echo Pilot for, is to actually see what the bottom looks like. So we zigzag through the anchorage, looking around and seeing if it's flat. And it looks fairly flat, 6.2 meters. And I'm looking out maybe 20 or 30 meters, but everything looks flat. You know, and that's the same thing that our chart tells us. It's flat bottom and we should be able to anchor here. So the wind's behind us right now, so I'm just gonna look around in here and then I'm gonna pull it around and drop the hook. That's what I do. And I usually always have my Echo Pilot on. What a beautiful place. There's the coaster boat, a fishing boat, and the Aquarius boat.
And with that beautiful view, we had a chance to say a proper goodbye to Malaysia.
I am American.
I will put my phone in my bag because it's not
Irish
safe.
people, you know, all the craziness that you're seeing is coming from Ireland.
Next on Sailing Aquarius, overnight sail to Thailand, Phuket. Join us. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.